find the surface area of a three-dimensional figure, we're finding the total area of all of its faces. So let's start with this cube. To make finding its surface area a little easier, we're going to flatten it to a net. That way we can see each individual face that we have to find the area of. On our cube, each edge is worth about 3 inches. So that means on our net, the edge of each square is also worth about 3 inches. So let's start by finding the area of one of these squares. To find the area of a square, we can do side squared. So to find the area of one of these squares, we can do 3 squared. The exponent tells us that we're going to multiply the number by itself. So we have 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is worth 9. So this square is worth 9 square inches. So now to find the total surface area, we could find the area of each square multiplying it out and add them together, or we can realize on a cube that all 6 faces are going to be the exact same square. So to find the total surface area, we could multiply our 6 squares times the area of just 1 square. So 6 squares times the area of 1 square. Well, that means we're going to have 6, and we found the area of 1 square to be worth 9. So our total surface area is going to be found by doing 6 times 9. 6 times 9 is 54, so that means our total surface area is going to be measured as 54 square inches. Since surface area is a two-dimensional measurement, it's labeled in square units. Now let's take this and expand this out into an equation that we could use for other cubes. To find our surface area, we multiplied 6 times the area of 1 square. Well, our area of 1 square we found by doing side squared. So we're going to put that into our equation. So surface area is 6 times side squared. And we don't even need that multiplication symbol in between it. So we could even take it down to 6s squared is how we could find the surface area of any cube. We can then use our equation to find the surface area of different cubes. Our equation is the surface area is 6 times the side length squared. Well, here on this cube, they tell us that our side length is 10 feet. So we can substitute that into the equation. So surface area is going to be 6 times 10 squared. Order of operations tell us to do exponents before multiplication, so I need to do 10 squared. 10 squared means I need to do 10 times 10, which is 100. So now we have 6 times 100. 6 times 100 is 600, so that means the surface area of this prism would come out to be 600 square feet. Again, surface area is a two-dimensional measurement, so it's labeled in square units. On a cube, we don't even need a picture of it in order to find the surface area. Simply knowing how long one edge is enough. Here they tell us the edge of a cube is 1.5 centimeters, and we need to find the surface area. Well, coming back to our equation, we know surface area is 6 times the side length squared. Well, here they tell us how long one of our edges is, so we can substitute that in for side length. So we have 6 times 1.5 squared. Order of operations, again, 1.5 times 1.5, that comes out to be 2.25. So we need to do 6 times 2.25 to find our total surface area. 6 times 2.25 comes out to be 13.5, and again, don't forget to label it, since this is centimeters, our surface area is going to be square centimeters.